Good morning, children. This is Mrs. Anjum Aleem from Springfield School, Masap Tank, biology teacher for class 8. Children, we have completed with the lesson number 1, 2, 3, part A and part B, and also lesson number 4 chapters we have finished, and lesson number 4 is actually deleted, and lesson number 5 I am going to start today, reaching the age of adolescence. You know, children, all of you are now reaching the age of adolescence. The age from 10 years onwards up to 19 years is called as the adolescence period, teenage time. So what is adolescence? Adolescence is that period of life when many changes start taking place in the body, which results in reproductive maturity. It usually begins at around the age of 10 years and is seen till 18 to 19 years of age. Adolescents are also called teenagers, as teenage period is also covered up in adolescence. So children, this topic is very interesting. As you all are going through this period, I want you all to pay attention and listen carefully each and every word that I am going to tell you now. So now you understand the group of people who are in the age of 10 to 19 years. This 8-9 years period is called as the adolescence period. What are the changes that take place at puberty? Now children, during this period, you must be observing daily changes in your body, in your activities. Everything changes, and many times the parents are worried as what has happened to you. Sometimes you only like to be with your friends, you ignore parents, you don't listen to them. So these are all common things, need not worry. Every individual faces this. When there are hormonal changes taking place in the body, the mood swings. Sometimes you feel you are very happy, sometimes you feel that you are very sad, sometimes anxiety, sometimes you are angry unnecessarily. So these all are changes are very common in adolescent period. Normally we see that there are changes that take place are increase in height. Yes children, there is increase in height, change in the body shape, voice change, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Example is pimples. Many youngsters they get pimples on their faces. That is because of the very active sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Lot of secretions takes place. That is why infection happens and the pimples and acne come. Development of sex organs. As we grow, there are changes in the body parts also. That also is happening during the adolescent period. Reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. Yes, you become more matured, more intellectual during the period of adolescent. Complete development takes place during the adolescence. Now, one of the example in boys is we can see the appearance of the Adam's apple in a grown-up boy, isn't it? 18 or 19 years boys, mostly we observe them having the Adam's apple near in the place of the throat. That is nothing but the development of the voice box, larynx. It appears, that is called as the larynx voice box. That development takes place. It is the made up of 9 cartilages, and that is actually the voice changes with the development of Adam's apple in boys. Now when we see the growth during the adolescence, it is of two types: primary growth and the secondary growth. Primary growth increase in height, increase in weight, replacement of teeth, that is called as the primary growth. But secondary growth is the growth of the reproductive or sex organs. So there are many changes taking place. We will deal in detail with each of these changes. Now when we talk about the changes during the adolescence, we have talked about the growth. Now let us see the changes, type of change in the girls and in boys. Now when we see the increase in height, there is sudden increase in height in girls as well as in boys. When we talk about the body shape, the waist widens and the shoulders broadens in boys. In girls, the waist widens. Voice change: in girls it becomes high pitch, and in boys the voice becomes deeper. Development of sex organs: in girls ovaries mature and releases eggs and menstrual cycle starts, and in boys testis matured and produces the sperms. So even the ejaculation will start at the age of adolescence. You will learn in detail about the reproduction in grade 10. For present, write the changes that take place during the adolescence. Yes, I have already discussed to you. An individual reaches his or her maximum height during adolescence. There is a change in voice. In boys becomes hoarse, and in girls it becomes soft. The secretions of sweat and sebaceous glands are very active in adolescence. That is why they face the pimples and the acne problem. Reproductive organs start functioning actively. In girls, the menstrual cycle starts, and in boys, the ejaculation starts. And the secondary sexual characters are prominent. I will tell you what are the secondary sexual characters in the coming slides. Define the primary sexual characters. Now, primary sexual characters are nothing but the characters by which children are identified as boys and girls at birth, represent the primary sexual characters. So how we identify? By the genitals. Yes, by looking at the genital we decide that the boy is born or the girl is born. That is the primary sexual character. Whereas the secondary sexual characters includes the growth of hair on in boys, the mustache and beard appears, and the hair on the chest and in the armpits and the genital areas, and in girls the development of breast, and then the hair growth on in armpits and the genital area. That is secondary sexual character. So now we have here, what are the secondary sexual characters seen in boys and girls? The secondary sexual characters seen in boys: enlarge of larynx, that is the Adam's apple, broadening of shoulders and chest, growing tall, changing voice, facial hair like mustache and beard begin to grow. Hair growth are also seen in armpits, genital region and chest, private parts. In girls, widening of hips, breast begin to develop, hair growth is observed in armpits and genital region, and the menstrual cycle starts. Now, as I told you, during adolescence, pimple is very common. The occurrence of pimples mostly on face. This is because, why are pimples common in adolescence? It is because the secretions of sweat and the sebaceous glands are very active in adolescence. Because of increased activity of these glands, acne and pimples are common in adolescence. I hope this concept is clear to you all. So today we have covered the definition of adolescence, changes at puberty, growth at adolescence, development of secondary sexual characters in boys and girls. I hope you all followed whatever I told. Now please keep in mind that during adolescence it is very important to maintain hygiene. Yes children, cleanliness, and take the balanced diet and do the physical exercises that will keep you away from the stress. Now regarding the pimples, even the stress will cause the pimples. So children, try to play outdoor games and keep yourself away from the stress. You will be active, you will get sound sleep, and also you will be relaxed and you feel happy. So homework for today is define adolescence. Write the changes that take place during the adolescence. I think this video was useful to you. Kindly go through the PDF notes that I am giving you and complete your notes, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching this video.